Your belt is more than just an accessory. It's a part of your daily life, crafted from leather, built to hold up through everyday wear. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to care for and maintain your leather belts with minimal effort, because when life happens, spills, scratches, or marks, you might need to step in with a little care to restore its elegance and keep it looking its best. In today's video, I'll be showing my new favorite styles from Invincibelt, but these care tips will work on any belts. So let's jump right in. If you want your belts to not only last longer but age well and look great, follow these steps. If possible and desired, detach the buckle using the latch to access and clean underneath. Then lay the belt on a flat or even surface. When it comes to cleaning leather, I always suggest using a pH-balanced leather-specific cleaner because at-home alternatives will dry out and crack your leather over time. For best results, always test any cleaner or conditioner on an inconspicuous spot first, such as the underside of your belt. That way you can prevent any unexpected results. From there, proceed to clean the entire leather belt. If there's visible dirt, sweat, or salt buildup, begin with gentle care. Apply a small amount of leather cleaner to a microfiber cloth and gently wipe away any debris. No hard scrubbing needed. Avoid submerging the belt using hot water or saturating the leather, as this can ruin it over time. Then allow the belt to fully dry before repeating if necessary. Now on to conditioning. This is going to prevent creasing and cracking and keep your belt flexible for most belts. But for Invincibelt, the micro adjust ratchet system never creases your belt, so you will never have that old and cracked look that belts with holes get. Many Invincibelts are coated or sealed leathers and therefore don't require frequent conditioning. Simply follow the same gentle steps as the cleaner. Pour a small amount of conditioner onto a soft microfiber cloth and then rub the cloth together to distribute the conditioner evenly before applying it to the leather. Again, test in a hidden area to prevent unexpected results and then continue to the rest of the belt. When it comes to belts, they may need less conditioning than your boots or your jacket because they're on your hips and they don't really come into contact with dirt or dust like those other leather pieces do. Now, what I do to see if something needs conditioning is to look for signs of dryness, stiffness, and even minor scuffs, especially common with aniline or vegetable tan straps. These indicators mean that your leather is ready for some gentle care. And if you can't see the signs, take your fingers and run them over your leather and ask yourself, does it feel dry? Is it catching on my finger or is it a smooth glide? Does it feel like there's moisture in there or does it need some more? It's really that simple. From there, simply put your belt back together and let it dry for 24 hours or according to your conditioner's instructions. Then buff off any excess. Although your belt may arrive rolled up for shipping due to size constraints, it's often recommended storing it hung open and flat on a metal belt hanger. Hanging your belt flat prevents long-term creases, reduces stress around the buckle area, and allows the leather to breathe and maintain its natural shape. Gravity helps keep the strap straight instead of folded or kinked, which over time results in a longer lasting belt with a better appearance. To keep your belt looking its best, protect it from damaging conditions. Avoid prolonged direct sunlight like near a closet window, as this can fade dyes and dry out your leather over time. Keep your belt away from humid places like bathrooms or overly hot areas like attics where moisture and heat can cause premature wear. If your belt gets soaked from rain or sweat, follow the cleaning and conditioning steps mentioned earlier. You deserve a belt that keeps up with your life without the worry of defects or failures, and that's why Anson stands behind every product with a simple, honest lifetime guarantee. If your belt ever stops functioning due to manufacturing issues like hardware failure, broken buckles, or stitching coming apart under normal use, they will repair or replace it for free as long as you own it. No strings, no fine print, just a quality product backed by a commitment you can trust. And because Invincibelt is sponsoring today's video, when you click the link in the description or scan this QR code to build a box set, you'll get 2 bonus pieces, a buckle and a belt strap, completely free. That's 3 buckles and 3 straps, which can be mixed and matched into 9 unique belt combos, all in one box. Guys, Anson belts have completely transformed my daily routine. They're effortless, durable, and instantly elevate any outfit. For such a small investment, you're getting a product that saves time, looks great, and lasts for years with a lifetime guarantee. It's actually one of those rare purchases where the value far outweighs the cost, and you won't regret it. So make sure to check them out with the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Also, I'd be honored if you share this with someone who could use a better belt in their life. Belts are just one tool you wear every day, but have you ever wondered how to get rid of those ugly wrinkles in your shoes? Check out this video next, and as always, remember to love your leather.